Hi, let me show you infinite soap. Here we are with Luciano Vela. Can you please tell us how is the concept of infinite soap?
Hello, we are going to make infinite soap so you don't have to waste money on soap ever again because it's just a waste. So what you do, this is water. We want to put this lid off. You see? Then we want to pour it all out. So when you run out like this, what you do is you pour, you see that? There's a lot of soap right there. And then it's simple, you just put it back in, turn it, put some of this off, into the towel. This won't happen if you put a lot. We can just clean it all off.
Yeah, good.
Then, what you do, squish it. So
It's not that amazing.
So you don't have to buy any more soap. Yeah, you don't have to buy any more soap. It's just infinite right now. You don't have to buy any more soap.
But now you don't have to waste any more
Yeah,
money.
I know. You don't have to waste any more money. So if you guys have no more soap, just do this.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.